This is our second session. So this is for image. So first one we see components of multimedia. First one we read text. Okay. So now we read second topic is image. So image is a act as a vital component in multimedia. Vital component in multimedia. The image is two types. So one is for bitmap or raster image. Bitmap or raster image. So second one is vector image. First we see about raster or bitmap image. Okay. In the common comprehensive form of storing the image in a computer is raster or bitmap image. So first of all, in computer we are storing the image. If we are storing the image, one is for bitmap, that is image file. Okay, bitmap is a single matrix of the tiny dots, so small dots. Okay, that is called pixels. So in that form of raster or bitmap image, so each pixel consists of two or more colors. Each and every pixels consist of two or more colors. So based on that colors, we have to determine the number of colors, the color depth is determined. So how the quality of the image. So here for example TV. So if you are seeing color TV, based on the pixels only your quality of the image. Okay. So 1 bit is 2 colors, 4 bit is 16 colors, 8 bit is indicates 256 colors. Okay. For example, see here, so 1 bit 2 colors, so 2 power 1 equal to 2 colors. 4 bit 2 power 4, so 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. So totally you get 1 2 3 and then 4. Okay, 4 2, so 4 2s are 16. So next 2 power 8, 2 power 8 256 colors. So first time 1 into 2 equal to 2. Okay, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32, 32 into 2 64, 64 into 2 128, 128 into 2 256. Okay, so totally how many steps? 8. So if you are using 8 2 power 8, so 2 power 8 you get result 256. So 2 power 8, that means 8 bits. 8 bits indicates 256 colors. Okay, in vector image, the drawings or objects such as lines, rectangles, circles, and
Hello, Moto.
okay, the advantages of vector images. It's a small amount of data is required to represent the image. Small amount of data required to represent the image. Okay, so only less memory is needed to store. For an image we want less memory. Okay, so compressed techniques are used to reduce the file size of image. If you are taking big size, that will be compressed and store it in our memory. Okay, that is useful for storing the large number of images and speeding transmission of network application. Speeding transmission of network application. So various compressed formats. What are the compressed format? Is GIF, TIFF, JPEG. So what is the full form of GIF, TIFF, JPEG? See here, GIF, graphics interchange format. JPEG, joint photographic expert groups. TIFF, tagged image file format. Okay, this will read later. Okay, so now see animation. Okay, so animation is a displaying still images quickly. Okay, continuous images. For example, in presentation we are giving some images, so like that. Okay, animation, if you are seeing animation pictures, okay, quickly it will be rotating. Okay, So in that the movement of the image, so along the path that is calculated defining the coordinates. Okay, if our animation picture may be 2D or 3D. Okay, so the animation very least frame rate is 16 frames per second. If you are improving smoothness and natural looking means that is 25 frames per second. So the animation may be 2D or 3D dimensional. Okay, so 2D dimensional brings image like x and y axis. In the same way 3D dimensional it creates x, y and z. 3D dimensional creates x, y and z. Okay, path animation, next one. Okay. So in this animation very powerful and effective. So in this we have two types, one is for path animation, another one is for frame animation. Okay. Path animation involves moving an object from one screen. So it is defaultly it will animating, that is constant background. So cartoon characters in screen, they are cartoon characters, it will be scrolling on that. In the same way frame animation, it's multiple objects that allow travel simultaneously one place to another place, that image will be moving. Okay, that is background or the object also changes. Next one, sound is a meaningful speech in any language. Okay, these very meaningful words, for example music, special effects and so on. So decibel is the one measurement of the volume, pressure, level of the sound. See here image, if you are running a song, based on that the level will be moving. Okay, so that is the pressure level of the sound. In this sound MIDI, musical instrument digital identifier. Okay, this is the standard tool. It is used for computers and electronic instruments. It's very flexible to easy for composing the projects in multimedia. Okay, in digital audio, sample sound, that is digitized sound. Okay, sample sound is every nth fraction of a second as a digital information in bit or bytes. The quality of this recording depends on the sampling rate. So sampling rate is defined as how often the samples are taken and how many recording, and depends on the sampling rate. Sampling rate is defined how often the samples are taken and how many number are used to represent the value of each samples. Okay, so the sample, that is depends on the bit depth, resolution and sample size. Based on that only you have to check the sampling rate. Okay, so next one, video. So video is defined to display the recording event scenes. It's very powerful for convey the information in multimedia. Okay, here we have two types. One is for analog video, another one is for digital video. So analog video, the video data are stored in non-computer medias like video tape, laser, disc, film. Okay, it is divided further types, composite and another one is component. Okay, so in composite analog videos has all the video components like, see here, brightness, color and synchronization. These are combined into one signal. That is the quality of the composite video. That result, so composite video result will be color blending, low clarity and high generation loss. So next one is digital video. So the digital video is an electronic representation of moving visual images. So moving the visual images, okay, in form of encoding digital data. The contrast is analog videos where the images are displayed in rapid sessions. So in digital video, the clarity is very good comparing to analog videos.